Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I love searching Pinterest and the internet to find different natural ideas to clean things around my home. So I found a magical solution of 3 natural products that you already have in your home, and I'm going to try it for the first time today, so stay tuned. So today we're going to find out if this is a great alternative solution to making your glass stovetop shine. You only need 3 ingredients and you probably already have them around your home. The first thing you need is baking soda. Baking soda is such a good natural product to clean with. The second item that you will need is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is also a great item to have around your home to use for cleaning as well. And the last item that you will need is some Dawn dish detergent. The recipe called for Dawn dish detergent, so I bought some Dawn, but I have a feeling it would work with Mrs. Meyer's or whatever dish detergent that you use. So all we're going to do is pour on the soap, pour on the baking soda, pour on the hydrogen peroxide, and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a before. I have the lights turned on under here so you can see better. I have not cleaned it in a while, just so that we can really test this out and see how it works. Now we're going to let it sit for just a couple of minutes and see what happens.
But something changed and so did we. Now I can't set aside, I can't just be and let be. Oh, no, no, no.
Okay, so this is what it looks like after cleaning. Let me turn the light out. Okay, so this is what it looks like after cleaning. You can definitely tell a difference. Okay, so here are my final thoughts. Is this a miracle cleaner? In my opinion, no. Probably some of it was user error. I put maybe a little bit too much product on it. I think it would work really well just for like every other day maintenance. But if you have not cleaned it in a while, it was hard to get things off. I still have some little stains that I need to work on. So I think it is a great alternative. But my favorite is still putting baking soda on the glass stovetop, taking a very hot towel, putting it on top, leaving it for 5 minutes. That is still my favorite. And I feel like this is a good natural backup. I think if my stovetop were already fairly clean, it would look much better. So I would definitely recommend this for light usage. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and please consider hitting that subscribe button. And just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.